For a long time, people living with diabetes didn't get to enjoy many delicious options due to diet restrictions. But not anymore. Today, I'm giving you the 3 best diabetic smoothie recipes, especially crafted for diabetics. These are ideal for you, whether you are a type 1 or type 2 diabetic. You may have thought that smoothies are laden with sugar. It's true for many store-bought options, but at home, you're in perfect control. Let's check it out. 3 effective smoothie recipes for diabetes management. Almond and green tea smoothie for perfect breakfast. This is a perfect recipe to begin with because it's really tasty and healthy. If you have diabetes type 2, cocoa reduces your resistance to insulin, which keeps your blood sugar in check. And green tea powder combines with the other ingredients to create a superfood. Ingredients: 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon green tea, a handful of frozen raspberries. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth and enjoy this yummy chocolate drink at breakfast. Diabetic smoothie for lunch. This recipe is very simple. It's beyond delicious, and there is no need for a sweetener. The thick creamy texture makes it ideal for lunch. It will help you avoid looking for snacks to fill up on before dinner. Ingredients: 1/2 apple, cored and pitted, 1 medium carrot, 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cup almond milk, unsweetened, 1/2 cup ice cubes. Instructions: blend all the ingredients together until smooth and creamy. Enjoy. Diabetic smoothie for dinner. This is a recipe that will ease your day's fatigue and also easy to digest. This is a non-dairy light and refreshing smoothie you can enjoy after your dinner as dessert or even as a substitute for dinner. Ingredients: 1/2 cup frozen raspberries, 1 cup kale, 1 cup soy milk, 6 ice cubes. Instructions: blend all the ingredients together until smooth and enjoy. What's your favorite diabetic-friendly smoothie recipe? Let us know in the comments below.